Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today I have the TSM MINI GT Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo in yellow color. So this is the model number 317. So if you want to buy it for yourself, you can just Google TSM model 317 and you will find this particular model. And as always with the TSM model, it is a certified Bugatti product. As you can see, we have the label over here with the official TSM model logo on the right. So let's unbox it and see what we have. Very traditional style TSM model packing, and inside, if I can get it out, we have the car itself. So let's take it out of the packaging and take a closer look at it. So this particular version of the car is available also in blue color, I think, but it is very hard to find. Only the yellow color I was able to find, so when it was in stock I bought it immediately. And if you look at the front, we have the number 16 and the Bugatti logo on the top, and we have very nicely detailed headlights on both the sides, as you can see. Then we have a very nice detailed fender, as you can see, with all the vents and aerodynamic parts, and the front lip also looks very nice with the textured side, as you can see. Now we can see that the wheels are very detailed with some writing on the wheels, as you can see as well. So these are always, as always, rubber tires, and the wheels are, I think, plastic. And we have a metallic Mini GT base with the Mini GT logo and made in China sign. And that's pretty much it about the base. So if we move on to the doors, we can see that the whole body of the car, the black part at least, are in a carbon fiber pattern, if you will be able to see. So a very nice detail there with the paint job. And as always, the mirrors are made out of rubber, but they are so small that they barely even move, so that may be a plus point, I think. So if you go further back, we can see that we have some more text over here, and it's so small that I cannot read it, but it is there. So if you have a magnifying lens, you can probably read it as well. And then at the back we have the same type of wheels, and we have this separate piece that connects the roof of the car to the spoiler or the back wing. And we have a nice Bugatti logo and at both the sides of the spoiler, as you can see. And the spoiler also follows the same design pattern that other parts of the car follow, so a very nice detail there. And we can have a look at our engine bay as well with the silver painting, which looks absolutely beautiful for a model of this size. And then if we move to the back, we can see that we have the Bugatti logo, and the headlight is a singular light bar which goes around the back, as you can see. And then we have the 4 exhaust pipe painted in silver color, which is a must for this type of car, for which you pay a very heavy price. And I'm not sure what these are, but I'm guessing these are the fuel ports which are on both the sides, as you can see. So I think that's where your money goes, for the 2 fuel ports. And let's take a look at the interior if we can. We have a seat there, and I don't think I will be able to see the second seat, but it should be there. And then we have the steering wheel, as you can see right over here, and pretty detailed interior for a car of this size. I mean, most people will just only look at the exterior, not the interior, but the interior is also very detailed indeed. And finally, the one thing that I missed at the back is the size of the diffuser. So a decent sized diffuser, as you can see, with quite few fins, but not as many as the 4GT Mark II that I reviewed. So as you can see, nice amount of diffusers there. So all in all, a pretty good model. As you can see, we have all the aerodynamics pieces in place. Now I will be comparing it to a slightly similar model, which is the Bugatti Chiron or Chiron, however you like to say it, from Hot Wheels. So these are not exactly the same model, but we will just see what difference you get when you pay more for a Mini GT model. So first of all, you can see that the front is all painted blue in the Hot Wheels version, but the vents except the body is all painted in black as it should be. The headlights are a bit more detailed compared to the simple Hot Wheels version. And this is just a flat piece of radiator, but in the Mini GT one it is slightly textured, as you can see, in the honeycomb style, I think. So a very minor detail there, but it's for these little features that we pay more for these models. And obviously the wheels are rubber here, plastic on this side, but for the premium Hot Wheels it is also rubber. Then obviously there are no mirrors on the Hot Wheels, and they do exist on the TSM model, so that's a upside to the Mini GT models. And the back, as you can see, not as detailed as the TSM, so we can just keep it aside for playing purposes and keep this here for display purposes. So there it is, guys, the TSM Mini GT Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo in yellow color. So a very nice model, nicely detailed with a slightly unseeable interior. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all in the next video.